In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the upper handle on a Troy-Bilt Super Bronco garden tiller. We'll get started by removing the reverse cable from the reverse handle. Next, I'll remove the reverse handle from the upper handle. And I'll remove the forward drive cable from the bail. And then I'll remove the bail from the handle. Now I'll remove the handle panel from the upper handle. Next, I'll remove the bolts and nuts that secure the upper handle to the lower handle. And now I'll remove the adjustment knob and bolt, and that'll free the upper handle from the lower handle. Now we can install our new upper handle. I'll place it onto the lower handle. I'll line up the holes for the adjustment bolt and slide it through. Now secure the upper handle with the other nuts and bolts. Now install the handle panel. Next, I'll replace the bail onto the upper handle. Now attach the forward drive cable to the bail. Now attach the two cables back to the bracket on the upper handle. Now I can reinstall the reverse handle back to the upper handle. And we'll finish up by reinstalling the reverse cable back into the reverse handle.